How many of you know of Burhan Wani? Can I have a show of hands, please? Almost all the hands have went up. How many of you know, and these are all Kashmiris I'm taking the names of, Meluram? No one. Radhika Gill? One. Eklavya Meena? No one. Satinder Singh Sathi? No one. Ajaz Bund? No one. These are the people who for 70 years, these are the Dalits, the homosexuals, the refugees who ran away from West Pakistan and settled, whose rights, human rights, have been brutally trampled upon by the Indian democratic state for the last 70 years because of Article 370. They were graduates, postgraduates, PhDs, but they could only get a job as a sweeper. And you have the gumption and the temerity to say that you are fighting for Dalit rights? जय भीम, जय भीम, आपको शर्म नहीं आती? 70 साल से आपने उन दलित की ह्यूमन राइट्स को किस बेसिस पे आप कह रहे हैं कि आर्टिकल 370 एब्रोगेट नहीं होना चाहिए था? आपको सोशल जस्टिस चाहिए, आप अब रो रहे हैं? 70 साल से वो दलित आपको याद नहीं आए? सो दिस इज वेयर आई मीन दैट द सिनर्जी बिटवीन सोशल डार्विनिज्म दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ द क्रिटिसिज्म बाय साइंस ऑफ इट एंड लॉ इज अंडररेटेड. इट मस्ट बी taught in schools and universities. Thank you very much.